Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's LOVELIJA here with another video. Today's video is like, I want to do a fall tutorial using some of the stuff I got from Ulta. I did like a mini Ulta haul. Yeah, so let's see some of the goodies that I got. Because the new Ulta had opened up by my house, I was just like, okay, why not go in and see what they got. And it was so big and so beautiful, so I just love it. And let's see things I got from Ulta. I got some razors. I usually don't buy this brand of razors, but I was just like, why not? Because I just use it for my legs. I typically don't really shave my legs in the winter or fall seasons just because I don't really wear them out as much, but I just don't like the look of it anymore, so yeah. Okay, I bought the Neutrogena makeup wipes. I hear so many good reviews about the wipes, so I was like, why not? Because I was just using like wipes that you probably should not use for your face. So yeah, I got these. Let's see. I got the Morphe sponge highlight and contour beauty sponge. This was like $7. I've heard really good reviews on this sponge, so I really cannot wait to test it out. It was time for me to get a new sponge anyways, so I was like, okay, I have to get it. Let's see. I got this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Yeah. Oh, no. It says metallic. I didn't want metallic. I hope it's not metallic. Let me check, because I'm gonna be so sad. I really don't think it is metallic. Oh my god. What am I gonna do with this? I am too sad. I mean, it may be cute. I don't know. I bought some Morphe brushes. I got the Morphe, let's see what brush this is. Morphe M124 brush. This is like just a brush, you know, for a cut and crease, and you know, maybe you want to put a little shimmer on your lids. I got the M167 brush. You can also use it like to cut your crease or, you know, whatever. I just wanted some more detailed brushes that I can use for that. And lastly, I already opened it. I got the 35V Morphe palette. I saw this palette, I was like, I have to get this palette because it's so pretty. First of all, look at this. Like, oh yeah. This palette retails for only $24, which I think is a steal. Okay, $24. I've tried the Morphe palette. Well, I've tried one Morphe palette for Jack and Hill, and I was obsessed with it. So I said, okay, why not get another Morphe palette? A lot of like warm tones over here, mauve tones right here, and you know, just some blues for the holiday. This is the stuff that I got from Ulta. So if you want to see me, you know, achieve like a fall look with the things I got, even with this metallic lip cream, which I'm really upset about. I am not happy. Let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and like this video in advance because you already know we're about to be popping in this video because I do nothing less but popping, okay? And you know, let's get into it. So I just want to like cut in and say I dampened this beauty blender, but it is like, it's very hard. Like I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Like I don't know, just really hard. So I don't know if I dampened it up enough. I don't know, it's hard. I mean, the sponge really, like, it blends out pretty well. I don't know if I just need to maybe wet it some more just because it is a new product. So I don't know. I mean, I like the way it blends it out, my concealer out, but I don't like how hard it is. That's the only con I have about this so far. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the powder under my eyes just in case I get any oh my god, what is this? I'm gonna leave the powder under my eyes just in case I get any kickback from the eyeshadow, you know, any fallout, because we don't want our makeup to be messed up. So we'll get into this Morphe 35V palette. Okay, so I already did this eye off camera, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the makeup look for this eye so we can go ahead and finish up this look. I'm obsessed, okay? Starting off in the crease, we're gonna put this color straight into the crease. My NYX blender brush, my favorite brush. I really want to keep this look really warm. So we're going to be taking this shade right here. It's not as orange as it looks on camera. It's actually just, you know, just a nice, just another really a transition shade for your crease. A nice brown. I should have used this mirror a long time ago. It is so much easier trying to do your eye makeup look with it. And we're going to take this deep brown right here. Put that like really in the crease. See how it's coming together, like I'm becoming obsessed. I'm just going to take this brush right here and just kind of soften up any harsh areas. I'm going to take this brush right here and just take a little bit more of that dark brown just so I can, you know, deepen the crease a little bit more with that color. And try to focus it more on the outer V. Take this brush again. This should be just kind of soften that up. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut the crease. So I'm going to be using my Morphe 124 brush, you know, that I got in my little haul. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and go ahead and cut my crease with this concealer. Okay, so we got the crease cut. So I'm going to take a little bit of my NYX glitter primer and go ahead and put it on top of where I cut my crease. I'm going to take my Morphe M167 brush. I'm about to show y'all the shade in a second. I'm just going to put it on first because my eyes are wet. And I'm just, you know, tapping motion. Okay, that's so cute, okay? And the shade I use, just like this copper shade right here. And to get the crease a little bit more defined, I'm going to take this brush again right here and dip it into that chocolate brown that we use. And just, you know, go over it. But I used a brown eyeliner from NYX. It's in dark brown. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. I got this like years ago. I'm just taking my Real Techniques angle brush and just doing a little wing. I'm just taking some of this NYX Crystal Body Liner. This is in the shade, what shade is this? Crystal Silk. That was like really hard to see. And I'm just putting it on top for some reflex. You don't have to do this in any specific way, just put it on top. And make sure it dries before you like blink. Alright, so I did catch some like a little bit of fallout with the shimmer shades, but none with the, you know, the matte shades. So I'm just gonna dust off this powder. Alright, so I backed you guys up a little bit. So we're just gonna finish off the rest of the face. Black Radiant Soft Focus powder. Take a little bronzer, you know, this powder. Contour my nose a little bit. Using like a flat eyeshadow brush. Buddha blender. I'm just gonna put a little mascara and some blush. I'm gonna take my NYX Cosmetics blush in Double Dares. It's a little orange. I'm just gonna take my blush brush. I'm gonna always use this brush forever. Okay, not too much because it is pigmented. Let's set our face. I'm going to use, you know, my famous, you know, Old Faithful Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Let's finish up the eyes. Thought I was done. I'm going to take this brush right here and just put, you know, our first shade underneath the waterline. We're just gonna put all 3 shades underneath. I'm gonna take a little bit of that gel eyeliner that we used and put that in the waterline. I like that. To really finish up this look, I'm just gonna take one of these champagne shades right here and go ahead and put that in my inner corner. Alright, so now it's time to try out that metallic soft matte lip cream that we got from Ulta in the shade Dubai. I'm taking my NYX lip liner in Urban Cafe. Let's see what this is talking about. I'm really scared. You know, this is the finished look. I really like how everything came out. I actually do like this metallic lip a lot. Yeah, I like this metallic lip a lot. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I'm gonna keep it because, you know, ain't no need to just, you know, take it back. It's cute. It's not too like metallic-y. Like, it has a little shimmer, but it's not like too much. So I really like how everything came out with the look. I love this copper eyeshadow look. The pigment and those eyeshadows are really nice in the Morphe palette. I really enjoy using that palette, so I will be using that palette for other looks. So stay tuned to see more looks with that palette. If you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.